with Zuni.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my little learners? It's me, Zuni, and welcome to Arabic with Zuni. We have learned a lot of Arabic letters. We are just in the last phase now. Today we are going to do the next letter, which is called Kaaf. Yes, previously we read the letter Kaaf, which was with round lips, which has a bold sound like Kaaf. But today's letter is Kaaf with wide mouth. Kaaf. It has a thin sound and it starts with K, not with Q. The previous one was with Q, Kaaf, and today's letter is Kaaf with K, thin sound. So this is the letter Kaaf. We pronounce it like Kaaf, Kaaf, Ka, Ka, Kaaf, Kaaf, not Qaf, Kaaf. There is a big difference between these two letters. Qaf, Kaaf, Qaf, Kaaf, Qaf, Kaaf. Yeah, got it. Good job. Look what I am reading. Yes, this is book, but it is called Kitab in Arabic, which starts with Kaaf sound. So this is Kitab with Kaaf. Oh wow, what is this animal? Oh, it's so scary. I'm so scared of it. This is Kalb. Yes, with Kaaf. This is Kalb, dog in English. I don't like this animal at all. Go away, Kalb. Look what I have in my hand. This is Kurra. Kurra means ball. And Kurra, again this word with Kaaf. Kaaf, Kurra. Catch this. Kurra. Catch this, Kurra. Well done. Look what I am eating. It's so nummy. This is Kaka. Yes, it's my birthday's Kaka. Kaka means cake. Yeah. Cake is called Kaka in Arabic, which is Kaaf word. Wow, what is this in sky? Look, it's falling down. It's Kaukab. Yes, Kaukab means star. Look, there are a lot of Kaukab in sky. They are looking so pretty. MashaAllah. Allah Pak created them. Oh, we are forgetting the very important Kaaf word. The holy place in Makkah, which is called Kaaba. Yes, Kaaba, Allah's home. This is the holy place of all Muslims, Kaaba. Kaaba with Kaaf. So all these words, they are starting with Kaaf sound. Kaaba, Kaukab, Kurra, Kalb, Kitab, and Kaka. They are so amazing words. Now let's read the letter again. Kaaf, Kaaf, Kaaf. Look how we can write this letter. Like this, straight vertical line, then a straight horizontal line. And then this S-like shape in the center. Tada! It's ready. This is Kaaf. Very simple and easy letter. Kaaf. Draw again a straight vertical line and a straight horizontal line. Then a small shape in the center. Kaaf. Very easy. Now draw with your fingers. This, and a small shape inside it. Kaaf. Say it with me. Kaaf, Kaaf. Yes, good job, mashallah. You did amazing today. You have learned this next letter and you have learned all the words with Kaaf. Perfect. See you next time. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum.